Olympics with Harry Potter.
Yeah. Avada Kedavra. Whoa. Excuse me.
Kind of like Saturn, but sideways.
Reminds me of a music note.
That was a star.
They've been breaking the budget for these things.
Squiggly line. Harry Potter.
Tragic love story. One explosion and another.
Unfortunately, it didn't make it. They broke up shortly after.
Oh, finale time looks like.
Sir, we're not done yet.
We're not done yet.
That was a pretty nice one.
They haven't put the flag up yet, so looks like they still got some more to go.
Oh, the flag?
They're lighting it with a road flare. There's usually a little flag up there in lights. That's been as long as I remember.
I don't know, I've never actually seen the flag one.
Well, take a look this time. Seems to be still lighting stuff.
Because we were usually way over there because my parents, my mom was allergic to black lights.
At the end of it. Oof, I guess maybe
they're done.
Remember. Oops, got my glass bottle.